What up guys? Alright, my name's Josh if you don't know who I am. Today we've got a pretty good day planned. It's looking pretty sunny out there at the moment. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be picked up around 1 o'clock by my friends and we're going to go on a little trip out to Liiffy Falls. I'm going to vlog and I'm going to do like a edit of the day as well. So we'll get there, I'll decide when we'll start the edit. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll introduce you to everyone. I get here and yeah, I'll see you soon.
Casey Neistat and I'll be vlogging today.
Nah, you're not Casey Neistat. Alright, so we just made it out to the Liiffy Falls. Eva, Sophie and Declan picked me up. Say hello.
Hi.
We're waiting for Declan. Declan had to go get his phone because he left it in the car. The weather's looking bad, so it may rain. Hey, wait, we gotta wait for Declan. Declan's gonna be running down and be like, no.
You're like, guys, don't leave me.
Do you reckon it's gonna rain?
Yeah. It might when we're down.
Yeah. I didn't check the weather before he left, and I don't know if Declan had.
It was meant to start raining on Friday.
Oh, yeah, Declan's coming. Say good day, Declan. This is Declan. Declan's a sexy beast. Declan drove us here, picked us up. Didn't check the weather. Now it's gonna rain on us.
That's not my job.
Yeah, he asked us if we wanted to go on a trip. Now it's gonna rain and we're gonna get all wet and soaked. Oh well. We're at the first spot.
Oh yeah, so this is Liiffy Falls, right?
This is Liiffy Falls.
Isn't it?
I was joking. Really disappointed this was Liiffy Falls.
Alrighty, I'm gonna just make a montage of the whole thing. So, play it. Alright, so we made it to the falls. It's pretty cool. Declan's over there taking some photos. Already taking some photos. There's a little cave behind there. We're gonna go in it. It's gonna be sketchy as. It's pretty cool here. It hasn't rained on us yet, which is great.
Don't think so.
Nah, I don't believe it. Do you reckon it'll rain ever?
Yeah.
Declan, wanna go down on them?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it. You forget we're in Australia. There's probably snakes down there. Probably some snakes down there, and we might die. I'm going in after Declan. I'm gonna go in the tunnel. Shit, boy.
It's kind of wet.
Gotta light it up. Whoa, halfway. Not even at the top. Just started.
Is it 20 minutes back?
Look. 20 minutes. We've been walking for a minute and we're dying. We took a shortcut and left Eva and Sophie in the dust. Nowhere to be seen. But Rule number 1 to being in the bush: never go off track. You might get lost. But you see, me and Declan,
Natural Kiwi.
naturals. In the bush, it's our home. We know where to go. I think that's a dying
Is that a wild
animal.
ever?
I think.
Is that a wild
I think
ever?
they're coming. They're coming. Why did it take so long?
You even got the hiking shoes.
Yeah, see, me and Declan and I, we came prepared. Sports shoes and
Yeah, same thing.
yeah, same thing. See, everyone's so they come in hiking boots. Who would do that? We're not hiking up a mountain. What do you have to say about the hiking boots? Girls?
Fuck.
Damn, gummers. Whew! Look at them red shoes. I'll try putting a damn gummers clip right here. They're all good as. Damn, Damn, gummers. Chalky milk. Damn, gummers. We're heading back now though. All done, got the photos. Going back now. I said 20 minutes back there, but I think it's only been like 10. So I've spent like 2 hours out here. It's been good fun. Bye bye, Declan. Bye, Sophie. Bye, Eva. Alrighty, I'll see you later. Alrighty. Yo, they just dropped me off. Now I'm home. Woo! Look at them go! It's about 5 o'clock, so that's good timing. I don't know what they're doing now. Got to try to get into my gate. Ugh. But yeah, I had heaps of fun. That was good fun. I think they enjoyed it. Didn't rain on us, which was good. But I might end the vlog here. So thank you for coming on the journey today. I'll see you guys next time or tomorrow or something. See ya. Ow.